We got Buldak and Wingstop. Look how good that looks. First bite for you. Look at that. Hot honey rub. Ranch. Y'all, it was really just a misunderstanding and it turned like, you know, physical. But it's okay, y'all. We've made up. We're back talking. Like, it's nothing serious. It's not gonna hold us back. Excuse me. Like I said, y'all, we've already made up. Sisters fight. It's okay. Cheers. I would never do that again. I'm so sorry. Sorry, Lisa. Moral of the story, y'all, I just don't think people should try Libras. We're indecisive. We don't know what we're going to do. We don't know. And then you going around fucking provoking us and shit. Like, I don't know if I was going to attack you or not. I didn't know. I'm sorry. It's just hard being a Libra sometimes. Nobody understands me. Because, like, I don't even understand myself, you know? Like, I just wish somebody was on my side, you know? Any Libras, y'all understand? I know y'all understand. Cheers. Bye.
Let's try KFC for the first time. I ordered the chicken and waffles and they didn't even give me the maple syrup. So starting off with an L. Besides the chicken and waffles, I got some fries and a spicy chicken sandwich. Let's start off with this drumstick. It's looking pretty crispy. I guess gravy doesn't come with the chicken and waffles. That was my bad. Perfect bite. Okay, this is pretty damn good. Let's try the chicken with waffles. I guess I gotta use my own maple syrup. This is fire. The waffle's really doughy, but I don't mind it. Let's try these french fries with some ranch. Oh damn, these are actually really crispy. Let's try this spicy chicken sandwich. The chicken is pretty dang dry. I think I'll stick to their bone-in chicken. KFC kind of popped off. I've been thinking about doing a Love Island chat and eat with me. Let me know if y'all be interested in that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Let's eat some canes. Cheers. Did you know that Raising Cane's is named after the founder's dog? And the dog is a yellow Labrador. Look how cute. What a distinguished gentleman. Make sure to get your chickens extra crispy. Always get extra sauce.
Today I got Buldak and Wingstop. I've been sleeping on this new flavor, y'all. 10 out of 10. Wow. Cheers. That was hands down the best bite, y'all. Y'all hear that? Peace and quiet. Alora's at daycare. And by daycare, I mean my sister's house. Period. Y'all, I literally forgot I had these. Wow. Whoa. Last bite.
Trying wrestling Kanye. Kanye sauce. Not enough sauce. Not enough sauce. Toast. Olipop is now at Starbucks. More fries. I got the Summerberry Refresher and the Grape Olipop. Just what I needed for this weather.
I didn't know KFC had new saucy wings, so let's try them. Let's try the Korean barbecue wing. That meat just slid right off. Nice thick Korean glaze with barbecue. Whew. Chef's kiss, man. KFC, you're taking inspiration from Korea, and I like it. Now we got the honey garlic. When I want a wing sauced up, this is how I want it. Wait, why does this low-key taste like sweet and sour? This does not taste like honey garlic. Next up is hot honey. Mike's hot honey coming in clutch with this one. I just love that sweet and spicy. Finish it off with that honey barbecue. Let's try out some of that honey barbecue sauce.
The hot honey flavor with the buldak is my favorite. If you guys haven't tried this combo yet, you have to. Oh my gosh. Buldak and ranch together is so good too. Cheese sauce. Look how weird this tender looks. That was a lot. Look how cheesy. Last bite. Someone try and name a better combo than this. I finally got the large sauce at Raising Cane's. I'm so excited. I am way too goddamn excited for this. Couldn't forget the Coke Zero. Off topic, but Raising Cane's has some of the best ice. They only gave me 2 Louisiana hot sauces, which is diabolical work, but it is what it is. Do a full dunk. Okay, I'm doing a little bit too much. Let me chill. I got 2 Texas toasts, of course. I definitely get sauce in my hair sometimes, and honestly, I don't mind. It's extra conditioner, y'all. French fries. Yeah. One more big bite. Was I really messy today? Yeah. Do I regret it? No. Let's eat Wingstop and Buldak ramen. It has been way too long since I've had this combo. Would you like a bite? Wow. The spicy on spicy goes crazy. Look at that bite. Just as I remember it, with some ranch. Literally the perfect bite. And my personal favorite cheese sauce. Whew. We gotta try it with my personal favorite flavor, the hot honey rub. Would you like a bite? And with some ranch. I'm literally in heaven right now. This Buldak is extra spicy. Let's try the hot honey rub with the cheese. And a final bite with both. Whew. This is the combo of the year.